Hello everyone, my name is Astha and I have been running Creative Learners Preschool from last 8.5 years. तो मेरे वीडियोस में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि मैम वेजिटेबल्स के टॉपिक पे एक वीडियो बनाइए, मैम फ्रूट्स के टॉपिक के एक वीडियो बनाइए, मैम मैं अपने टीचर के इंटरव्यू के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करूं, हेल्प मी टू प्लान अ डेमो लेसन प्लान। तो आज का जो वीडियो है ये आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देगा एंड इस वीडियो के बाद आपको लेसन प्लान बनाना आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा आसान हो जाएगा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस द टॉपिक एनिमल्स एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टीच एंड मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी बच्चों को कैसे पढ़ाना है। तो आप इसको कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। तो आप सेम कॉन्सेप्ट सेम चीज़ को यूज़ करके यू कैन टीच फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर्स, ट्रीज, healthy and junk food, body parts, anything you want to teach. I am going to model this lesson plan for you and exactly you can copy or you can take reference from my video and you can use it in your lesson plans or your teacher interviews. So teachers, let's get started. Hello children, hi, good morning everyone. How are you all doing today? Everybody is doing fine? Good job. Children, did you know when I was coming to the school, I saw a jungle. जंगल में कौन रहता है? जंगल में कौन रहता है? Animals. So today, see, I have got all the animals for you. Can you all see over here? Yes. Let's look. Which animals are here? Look at this animal. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Can you show me an elephant like this? Elephant. Elephant. Elephant is gray in color and is very, very huge. Right? It's a very big animal. Alrighty, who is this cute? What is this? Yes, it's a bunny. It's a bunny. Bunny is also called as rabbit. Do you know rabbit को क्या खाना पसंद है? रैबिट क्या रोटी सब्जी खाता है? नो, रैबिट तो कैरेट्स खाता है। नम नम। कैन यू ईट अ कैरेट एंड शो मी? नम 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 नम। गुड। व्हाट इज दिस? ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. इट हैज अ स्ट्राइप्स on its body. What is this, children? This is zebra. Zebra. Good job. What is this? It has got orange spots and yellow color and orange spots. It is very, very dangerous. Which animal is that? Leopard. Leopard. Children might answer it's a lion because they're still learning, right? So you have to correct them. It's a leopard. What is this? It's a bear. It's a bear. Which animal is this? It's a deer. Can you repeat after me? Deer. Deer. Deer runs very fast. Good job. What is this? Neigh. 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 Yes? Correct. It's a horse. Horse. Oh, you have done horse riding? Yes. When I went to the fair, जब मैं उस दिन मेला गई थी ना, तो वहाँ पे हॉर्स था और वो जो गार्डन है ना, गार्डन के बाहर भी एक अंकल हॉर्स लेकर आए थे. I sat on the horse. Yes. Which animal is this? Meow. 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 Cat. Correct. Cat. You are my bright students. Good job. Which animal is this? It has a long neck. It's very tall. Yes, giraffe. This is a giraffe. What is this? Oink. 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 Ah, correct. Pig. It's a pig. Good job. Oh, you're watching Peppa Pig. Exactly. Peppa Pig. Yes, good. This is black and white. Panda. Panda. This is a huge animal, big animal. Hippopotamus. Can you say hippopotamus? Hippopotamus. Now let's revise. Elephant. Elephant. Rabbit. Zebra. Leopard. Bear. Deer. Hippopotamus. Panda and pig. Good job. Cat, and this is giraffe, and our favorite horse. To make any lesson plan or to teach any lesson, first of all you have to make TLMs, teaching learning materials. या तो आप animals के ऐसे cutouts बना सकते हैं. So since I'm teaching animals, so I have taken the animal cutouts. Similarly, you can make fruits का cutout, आप flowers के cutout ले सकते हैं, trees का cutouts, anything you want to teach. If you're not able to make these cutouts or props, so you can take a photo out of it. You can take prints of all the animals or the fruits or flowers, whatever you want to teach, and you have to show it. You stick on the whiteboard or you stick around the walls of the classroom. आप पहले ही उसको stick कर दे, so that whenever the children are entering, they're finding something new and they're curious. Oh, what are we going to learn today? So whenever I want to teach, और हमारे स्कूल में जब सिखाते हैं तो पहले ही हम यहाँ पे we put on the sticker, so that whenever children come, they know, oh, they already have an idea that what they are going to learn about. अगर आप nursery class को पढ़ा रहे हो, so you can just introduce the animals. That's it. So when you're teaching junior KG class about animals, so you can talk about animals as well as you can start writing the names, tag, we call it as tag. I'm going to write something like it's a deer. So you can tell them it's a DEER, deer. What is this? Already junior KG kids are learning about CVC words. So you can relate that to it. What is this? It's a cat. Oh, cat is also a CVC word. Let's write it down. Can you all make that? Cat. Good job. Hey, pig is also a CVC word. So it's not important that you are going to tag all the names, but which are little bit easier for the kids so that they are able to understand. When you go to senior KG, there you can mention the spellings of hippopotamus, leopard, elephant. For junior, you introduce the names as well as you can introduce the sound of animals. And when you go to senior KG, when you're making a lesson plan for senior KG, so you can make animals and their babies or animals and their homes, and after teaching that, you can prepare worksheets for them that you can match. और आप कोई भी टॉपिक सिखाते हो तो उसके पहले आपको क्या करना है, कोई भी राइम और एनी जिंगल you can prepare beforehand, because rhymes make it easier for kids to remember. So for this animal lesson plan, I can use Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, or I have made lot of animal rhymes on my channel, so you can go through the action fun rhymes for kids playlist and you can find out many animal rhymes. Recently I have made Do you know the big grey elephant, the big grey elephant, the big grey elephant? Do you know the big grey elephant that lives deep in the jungle? Similarly, you can make for all the other animals. And after the rhymes and worksheets, we did an activity, that is making the animal mask. So it was so much fun. It helps children to recall what they have done in the class. Similarly, you can use this model to teach any topic to your children. तो फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है इफेक्टिव लेसन प्लान के लिए? आपको पहले एक टॉपिक डिसाइड करना है. योर टॉपिक कैन बी अबाउट फ्रूट्स, flowers, healthy food, junk food, living things, non-living things, body parts, colors, anything you want to teach. Second thing is you have to make TLMs, you have to make props or any visuals so that children can see and relate. जैसे जैसे हमें सबको पता है कि बच्चों अपने सेंस ऑर्गन्स को यूज करके सीखते हैं, एंड द मोर दे सी द मोर दे विल बी एबल टू रिलेट. दे आर नॉट एबल टू फॉर्म एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट. हम उनको कुछ बोलेंगे वो इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते, उनका ब्रेन अभी इतना डेवलप नहीं हुआ, इट इज इन द डेवलपिंग फेज. सो यू हैव टू शो द थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट समर सीजन, तो you can get materials related to summer season, mango juice, beaches, and you can stick on the picture on the whiteboard, and you can talk about that. Oh, mango is there, beach is there, when do we go? So all these things can be used. The third thing is you prepare a rhyme. It is super important that you make a rhyme related to that topic. You can take help of ChatGPT to create any rhymes, or you can find lot of rhymes on my YouTube channel related to the topics of fruits, vegetables, healthy food, junk food, private parts, everything you can find. The fourth thing is that you have to create a worksheet कि बच्चों ने जो भी सीखा है, whatever they have understood, they are able to solve the worksheet. For example, मैंने अभी recently we had did sense organs activity with my nursery, junior and senior KG kids. So for nursery, I gave them to color the sense organs and identify, like this is eyes, eyes help us to see. For junior KG, we did a matching activity, and for senior KG, we gave them lot of activity pictures and they had to stick in the particular columns. And the fifth thing is that you have to plan one activity related to your topic. For example, for this animal topic, we had made a animal mask. So we made different animal masks for each and every kid, and we asked them to recall, oh, which animal are you? See, we have made a mini jungle in our classroom. So these are the 5 super most important things to create an effective lesson plan. And if you use these 5 pointers of planning a topic well, second is preparing TLMs, third is creating a worksheet, fourth is preparing a rhyme, and fifth is any activity related to that topic. So if you use this thing, तो आपके बच्चे आपकी क्लास को हमेशा enjoy करेंगे. They will look forward to your class कि ये मैम कब हमें पढ़ाएगी. And teachers who are looking for interview or preparing demo lesson plans, your interviewers will be impressed. So use this method and prepare your lesson plans, and let me know in the comments if this helps you out. And if you found this video useful, do give a thumbs up, share with your teacher friend or teachers who are going to give interviews. It might help them out. Now I will show you this kind of worksheets we have prepared. This is for the recalling of our sense organs. I also gave them to color the sense organs and to match. This was for counting 1 to 10. So we did an activity of 1 to 10 numbers and then we stick apples on that. And for recall activity, we gave them stick number of count and stick number of pom-poms on the worksheet, as you can see. Then also we gave for when we did about plants. So when we learnt about plants, I gave this activity to stick real flowers and real plant. So children would, recall, okay, we have learned this flower, leaf. And then this was the activity for the sense organs for senior KG, as I talked about. So I had given them this. So when we see a rainbow, it's sight. Playing violin is sense of hear, we are hearing and all. So this activity sheets can be used. And if you need any kind of worksheet helps, you let me know in the comments. I'll provide you a free PDF to that. Thank you so much for watching this video.